rocket. Hi friends, are you ready for an amazing adventure today? We're going to build our very own cardboard rocket and blast off into outer space. It's going to be so much fun. Look at all these cool materials we have. A big cardboard box, some colorful paper, tape, and of course our favorite crayons and stickers. Let's get our creative engines started and build something truly out of this world. First things first, we need to make the top of our rocket, which is called a cone. Grab a big piece of paper or thin cardboard. We're going to cut a large circle out of it. Ask a grown-up for help with the scissors if you need to. Once you have your circle, cut a line from the edge right to the center. Now, overlap the cut edges and tape them together. Look at that. You've made a perfect cone for the nose of our spaceship. Great job, future astronaut. Now for the main part of our rocket, the body. Take your big cardboard box and carefully roll it into a long, sturdy cylinder shape. This will be the part where you, the brave space explorer, will sit. Make sure it's big enough for you to imagine climbing inside it. Once you have the perfect cylinder shape, use plenty of tape to hold it securely together. We want our rocket to be strong for its long journey through the stars. Let's put our rocket together. Take the cone we made earlier and place it right on top of our cardboard cylinder. Use some more tape to attach it firmly. There, it's starting to look like a real rocket, isn't it? Now for my favorite part, decorating. Let your imagination run wild. Use your crayons to draw windows, doors, and cool space designs. Grab your stickers and cover your rocket with sparkling stars, planets, and maybe even some friendly aliens. Make it uniquely yours. Our rocket looks incredible. Are you ready for the final countdown? Let's climb inside and get ready for takeoff. Let's count down together from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Wow, look at us go. We're flying through the clouds, past the moon, and into the galaxy. Look at all the beautiful stars and planets floating by. I'm an astronaut exploring space. You can make your own amazing rocket too and join me on this incredible adventure. Thanks for building with me today, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun creations. See you next time.